Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, and today we return back to one of my favourite shops, The Range. Yes, we've got some really exciting projects to show you, something that is really new to me that I've not tried before, and one food item, but I couldn't resist going. It's Saturday, we've got engineering works on Sunday, so I thought I'll go on the Saturday and then I can have a relaxed for Sunday afterwards. But this is what we got. Now, we have the return of one of my favourite animals. It's the dinosaurs. Now, when I got this, I picked it up. These are from a new company called Art Studio. I don't know if they're certainly new to me. I don't know about you folks, but when I saw these, I was thought, do I, don't I? Because they do come across a little bit babyish, but, you know, perhaps I can do them for my nephew. You know, when he's a bit older for his birthday, he likes dinosaurs, so I thought I'll get them and then I can give them for, say, his birthday in November, maybe. So yeah, that'd be quite good. So yeah, and you get 2 in a pack. Now, these ones were actually £1, but the birthday cards that I got was like £1.99. And let's take a look in here and see what we got in this lovely pack. So in here we have, look at this, a lovely Ziploc bag, as you can see, and then we have our drills, which look like this, and we'll get them out like so. And as you can see in here, we have the, I'm showing you the drills first, but anyway, we normally show the card first. Doing it a bit back to front today. So we've got lime green, we've got an orange, sorry, that's a teal, an orange, a very light green. You can see we've got some pastel vibes going on here. War blue, that's my favourite colour. White, and then we've got a darker green, a lime green, a white, an orange, sort of beigey colour, and a black. Now, I was going to get these last week, but I just could not make my mind up because they just came across like very babyish. So I think that's what's put me off, but for £1 you can't go wrong. And then we got 2 envelopes. These feel better quality than the other ones that I got. So we've got 2 envelopes. I keep these because I'm always sending letters to people and stuff and companies and you know what. So they come in quite handy for me. And let's take a look at our first card. We've got 2 cards on here, and this is the first one. As you can see, it's a happy birthday one. And we'll check the stick. Oh yeah, that's a lot more better. So the Range are listening to feedback, so that's great. And then, as you can see, you got, what's nice about this is you've got the actual words done as well. So that's quite nice, and as you can see, a nice quality card there. The next one that we've got is, look at that. We've got all sorts here. We've got Stegosaurus, Brontosaurus, and I don't know the rest. Although I think that's Stegosaurus, not that one. Tyrannosaurus, I don't know, they have so many sauruses, I don't know, but I definitely know that's Bronchosaurus and then Stegosaurus. And again, you've got Wild One. That's the song, isn't it? Just the Wild One. But yeah, beautiful stick there. And yeah, 2 brilliant, beautiful cards, £1. I think that's absolutely fantastic to give someone on their big day, you know, their birthday, or, you know, as I said, they're great for stocking fillers, they're great for gifts at Christmas, and yeah, for £1. And this is what I'm saying, if you're new to diamond painting and you perhaps don't know where to start off, get yourself a cheap one, because don't spend loads of money on one if you're not going to enjoy it, you know. So obviously, yeah, just get, you know, one that will work. But I'm really happy with that. You know my love for dinosaurs, as you can see here. I do secretly paint, but it went a little bit wrong. This was a project, if you like crafts and that, I do a craft channel. And I don't know what made me give him black feet, but for some apparent reason, I started off going brown, and then I don't know why, I just had this vision of giving him black feet and it just don't go. So I've got to sort of like try and figure a way of how to repair that. As you can see, my painting is pretty crap. So I either put it on too thick or too thin. As you can see here, it's a little bit wish-washy. So yeah, that's the project I need to finish, but I love my dinosaurs. Right, so let's get into our next package, and we'll just put these over to one side. The next thing I got, let's go to a food item. I saw these last week, but I was just like, I have to get them this week. Because when I shop, if my bag's at full capacity, I will not buy any more. I don't like carrying bags. So Whatever I can buy and I think will fit in my rucksack, I'll do. But these were $1.25 for teddy bear cookies, and they're honey flavour biscuits. And I've already had some. They're absolutely delicious, and you get quite a lot in the bag. And in here, look at that, it's a cute little bear. So, yeah, I think they do a chocolate make as well. But all of them, you know, it's round about there for all of that. I thought that was absolutely fantastic. You know, absolutely brilliant. Bite size, a perfect snack, you know, on the train or if you're watching a movie. I think that's brilliant. So I got some of them. The next thing I thought was really, really interesting. Now, I've never seen anything like this before, but I came across this. And you know what I was talking about in a previous video? I think I did, I can't remember. But I was talking to you about a wooden heart. Well, when I went in there, they changed all the diamond paintings around and I couldn't find it. So I went in there today and I had a, you know, a bit longer looking around and stuff. And this was put on the clearance rack. It turns out that they're trying to get, you know, this shot, I suppose, because it turns out that they're trying to get this discontinued, I suppose, because it was on the clearance, which done me a favour, really. £2.50. And then it says over 2,000 crystals, but I don't think there is 2,000. But what I love about this is it's a wooden hanging frame in the word love. And you've got, like, 2 little pigeons there. You've got some flowers here. And make art that dazzles, as you can see here. And in here it says indulge in some glitz and glamour with this DIY crystal decor kit. Apply over 2,000 sparkly jewels to the wooden design to create your own statement piece of wall art, perfect for adding uniqueness and style to any home. So let's take a look inside and see what we've got in here. I'm really, really excited for this because as I say, this is all new to me. I've never done anything like this before. Obviously, I've done like canvases on wooden frames, but to have something that's, you know, been obviously die cut, I should imagine. I suppose it's been laser cut here. Oh, wow, it is very thin. Oh, wow. Okay. Right. Yeah, it's super thin. Have we got the drills? Oh, we've got ribbon. Oh, wow. Oh, what's her name? Craft Addict Roxanne. You're going to like this because she loves her crafty bits. Look at that. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, that's beautiful. Really, really vibrant red there. We've got an instruction sheet. It just goes into how to diamond paint. If you've never done diamond painting before, then you definitely need to take notice of that sheet there. We have got some beautiful colours in here. I'm not going to open them because you can pretty much see them from the outside here. But as you can see, absolutely... Oh, do you know what? I want to have a look. I thought we could see from the outside, but... Oh, yes. Look at this. Purple, hot pink. We've got a red. We've got a silver, a blue, and a green. These colours are gorgeous. Absolutely fabulous. And then in here, we've got our standard boat and pen, as you can see. And now to take a look at the actual thing itself. It has got film on the back. Ah, right. This is very interesting. Right, so this... I think this is... I've been painting, what, 2 years now? And I've never come across this. This is no numbers on this. What they've done is... This is the see-through bit. So this is sticky. And what they've done is they've designed it so you can create your own sort of pattern. That's fabulous. As I said, I've always wanted to make my own sort of, like, colour schematic, if you like. And you can copy this, or you can change it and put like blue doves here and perhaps, I don't know, pink writing for the love. But that's fabulous. Oh, wow. That is fantastic. That is absolutely brilliant. Oh, I love that. That's gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is put that back in the box for safekeeping because that is very thin wood and that's likely to break if we're not very careful. So, oh, wow. We're going to have a lot of fun with that, guys. Now, because it's got the word love in it, I think what I'll do is save it for like Valentine's. And what's really good with this as well is that everything that went in there? I think it is, yeah. What's really good with this as well is the fact that, let's put that down there. Yeah, what's really good with this as well is that everyone's, you know, who buys this will have their own sort of unique pattern as well. And knowing me, I'm probably going to copy the box. I'm very much like to keep things to what the picture tells us, but oh wow, that is fabulous. Really, really lovely. So we'll put that over to one side, and the works, oh my god, the range has been doing some new paintings where they come in a frame, and they had a koala bear, but it was between the koala bear and this one, and I was like, I don't really want to get two really small ones because I wanted to get other things, and it was, you know, really wanted to sort of like get half of one and half of the other. I didn't want to spend all of it just directly on these small ones because there's loads. Every time I go back there's more and more things, but this just really standed out. I love butterflies, and what really done it for me was these gold drills. That is what really done it. So let's take a look in here. It's really nice, and what's lovely as well is you get a frame. So what's the great thing about it is if that's a 20x20 frame, you can swap and change your, you know, canvases as much as you want. So I think that's absolutely fabulous. You know, for example, if I wanted to put Toby the Tiger here in that, I could probably cut that border off, make it a little bit shorter, and then you can alternate your paintings in the frame. So this is great. For $2.99 I paid for this, and you know, it saves you having to buy another frame. I've just accidentally broke it there. Oh dear. Let's get that sellotape. I didn't realise there was tape stuck on the edge of it, so oopsie. So yeah, that is really lovely. And as I said, they've got a koala bear there as well. I think they had another one. They've got flowers there, and I don't know what the other one was, so I need to have a look at that. But inside here, oh baby, look at that. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, look at this. So you've got your little, they do say to cut along the line. I suspect that's so you can fit it in the frame. That's going to be gorgeous. It's so lovely and pastel vibe. And you've got little flowers there, big drills, some really lovely colours here with a little heart. That looks like a little umbrella or a flower. And I'm not going to open this yet. Should I or shan't I? I think that's plastic. Let's have a look. Let's go into it. And where's the thingamajig? So I think I'm so terrible because I had scissors and I forgot to bring them in. I think this is plastic. That nowadays they don't seem to do glass frames anymore. It tends to be like a cheap plastic, but this is fabulous. Yeah, it's plastic. But what's lovely about this is you've got like a little hook, you can hang it on the wall, or you can put that out and stand it like so. This is plastic. You can pretty much see. What is that? Is that marked? What is that? Oh no. And then what you do is you pull these out like so, and then you lift it up. Right, I see. That's that's plastic, but what they've done is they've put like a little film on it so you can peel the film off. I'm not going to do that yet, and you don't have to do that, you know, it's entirely up to you. So what I want to do is just put that back into position again. And yeah, I think that's fabulous. You know, words can't describe how like a bargain that is. That is such a bargain to get that and the frame with it. So then we've got how to DIY. So obviously telling you how to diamond paint if you've never done that before. And then we have ourselves a lovely little tray there. So a beautiful tray there, which is really beautiful. And we'll take a look at this section here, which is really fantastic. Hot pink for Liz. And we've got a, oh, like an apricot colour there. We've got a silver, a light blue, that's gorgeous. A dark blue. We've got a black. Oh, some very nice big black jewels there. We've got hot pink. Look at these pinks. Oh, wow. We've got a red, a green, a silver, a gold. Oh, look, tinsel colours, guys. And a lovely apricot sort of golden colour at the back of that. So that is absolutely gorgeous. I really like that. And now for the best bit of all. Now, in my videos, I don't know if I've mentioned it because I film a lot in advance and I can't remember what I've said and what I haven't said. But I've been banging on about this bee. Okay, I had to get it. It was bugging me all bloody week, and because of work I didn't have time to get there, so I've had to only, you know, it's only had time today. And look at this, it's so gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now again, this is from a company from apparently Art Studio, but what's really cool is, look, you've got yourself some hanging wall brackets. So this is designed to actually fix on the wall, which I think is really good. When I picked it up, I was a bit disappointed because it is really thin. But let's take a look inside and see what we've got to play with. I'm so happy, like, you know when something's like on your mind and it's bugging you, go get it, and then you get it and then it stops bugging you. Well, I just had to get it. It's like the works with the range. You have to go quick or they sell out and then you miss the opportunity. So let's take it in. Oh, look, this quality is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, wow. We got the little things here. Let's get into it. Oh, yes. Isn't it lovely when you go shopping and you get nice fresh paintings? Oh yeah, baby, look at this. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. I'm saying that, but I've not actually seen the image yet. But oh yes, this is, it does feel, as I said, it's quite thin, but you see, oh yeah, plenty of bags there, but look at them. They are lovely. The fact that they've included that, I think that's awesome. And then we got the drills here, so I'll just show you the drills here. And as you can see in the drills here, we got a brown, a lilac colour, a red. Very generous with these drills here. We've got an orange and like a beige colour, a brown. We've got a purple, 2 oranges, and we've got a lilac colour and a peachy colour, and a brown, and a pink, and a purple, and a pinky colour, and a brown, and a white. So there's our drills, and now for the best bit. Ooh, I'm very excited. It's lovely when you get it, but you know, seeing the image for the first time once you open it. The Semetic normally gets printed on the back of here, but let's take a look at this. Is it going to disappoint us, or is it going to really like it? I don't know. Oh, wow, yes, look at that. Oh, man. Yeah, they've really done it. That is fantastic. Look at these petals going round. Oh, it's giving me like a crunchy sort of honeycomb vibe, isn't it? Oh, wow. This is beautiful. I'm not really sure why it's got like a massive pink wing and then like a random white, but perhaps some pollen of the flowers fell on his wings. But this is beautiful, isn't it? I mean, and it's not a partial as well. It's a full drill. So I don't think I've ever had a 30x30, which I think is what this is, in a full drill. So this is beautiful. And it's got my dad's favourite plants on there, which is the daisies. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I got my wasp, my bee even. I'm delighted. Absolutely fabulous. That is gorgeous. Yeah, it is a 30x30, but yeah. Oh, wow. I'm super happy right now. So, yeah, super happy. So let us know what your favourite is. Is it this lovely, beautiful bee, which I'm going to call Bob the Bee? Is it this beautiful, lovely little butterfly with the framing? Is it this wooden plaque? I think, as I said, we're going to have a lot of fun with that because we get to design our own pattern. Or is it the lovely little dinosaur cards? Let us know. Or if you're hungry, is it the teddy bear cookies? So, yeah. As you can see, I think I found my new favourite shop here, guys. So, I'm probably going to be doing more and more of the range now because there's just... I just like the fact that you can go in the shop, get it, and get it the same day. I just think that's awesome. But, yeah, these, I mean, I'm itching to get into that bee. I just really am. But anyway, I'm going to leave that there for you guys to see, but thank you so much for watching. I did thought of apologies that we didn't have a video yesterday. It's because the heat was horrendous and trying to film in the heat is very difficult because we're creeping into June soon, so it's getting into our summer over here in the UK, and it was just unbearable to film in it. So I thought what I'll do is I'll give you a range unboxing just to compensate for that. And yeah, so a lovely haul from the range. If you like what I see, if you like what you see, then please head over to the range. And I have been in B&M today. I've found a store over there, and they had a lion, which I've put in my Diamond Paintings with Mike group. If you want to see that, it's on the Diamond Paints with Mike group, Liz Harrison's group, and the Sassy Sisters and Misters. But you know when you need the wow factor and it's not really giving you that wow factor, it wasn't doing it for me, so I sadly had to say no to it. But yes, I love it. I really, really love it. And I think we've got some sunflowers in here as well. But anyway, enough blampering on. Get shopping today with the range. It's a fabulous shop. And we'll see you next time for more unboxings coming up next Wednesday. Bye.